Namaskaram. This is Varshita. Welcome to Manam, Annanagar, Chennai. Manam is a renowned sari brand in Annanagar, Chennai. Manam has been carefully curated for you to discover hand-picked designs from weaving clusters all over India. And we also have customized lehengas and designer blouses. Manam is a 4-story building and it is situated in the prime area of Annanagar, Chennai. Starting with the ground floor, we have a wide range of designer casual saris, daily wear saris, gift saris and all other types of saris to suit your budget. Moving on to the first floor. If you want to buy a traditional yet classy Kanjivaram sari, Manam is the place to visit. On this floor, we have pure traditional Kanjivaram, Banarasi, Jamdani, Tussar, soft silk saris and other handloom saris for all traditional occasions. Moving on to the second floor. Here, we have a wide range of designer wear salwar suits, ready to wear salwar suits, kurtis, party wear kurtis and unstitched salwar suits. Moving on to the third floor. This is the bridal studio. On this floor, we have a variety of designer wear lehengas, party wear gowns and all other types of gowns for all occasions. In today's Manam Sari episode, we have Banaras Kora tissue printed saris. Now starting off with the first shade. So this is a light green body with floral prints all over and this is a tissue material. And as you can see, it's got a double-sided jari border and this is the pallu. So the pallu is also got rich jari on it. And for the blouse, this is a rich jacquard weaving blouse. Very grand blouse. So it completely contrasts the body of the sari. And this sari is priced at rupees 2,395 only. Moving on to the second shade. The next shade over here, we have a light yellow color sari, but it's got red color floral prints with small mangoes all over the body. It's a very elegant sari, suitable for simple occasions as well. And as you can see on the pallu over here, it's got a grand pallu with jari. And for the blouse, same rich jacquard weaving blouse all over, completely contrasting the body of the sari. And this sari is also priced at rupees 2,395 only. The next shade, this lovely pink color sari. As you can see on the body over here, it's got again small mango prints all over and floral prints along with it, tissue material. And for the blouse over here, rich jacquard weaving blouse again, all gold zaris all over. And for the pallu here, again rich zari pallu. And this sari is also priced at rupees 2,395 only. The next shade, this very lovely yellow color again with red floral patterns all over the body, a double-sided jari border, and as you can see, same for the pallu again, rich jari pallu, and for the blouse, rich jari jacquard weaving blouse. Now this sari is a very lovely yellow color, a bright yellow color with red floral patterns all over the body of the sari with double-sided borders, jari borders. And for the pallu over here, again a very grand pallu with zari all over. And for the blouse, jacquard weaving blouse, again with jari all over the blouse, completely contrasting the body of the sari. Now this sari is also priced at rupees 2,395 only. The next color is very lovely blue color, which has got again floral pattern all over. And as you can see here, again double-sided jari border. And for the pallu here, a pink shaded pallu with jari all over. And for the blouse, a similar shade of pink with jacquard jari weaving all over the blouse. Now this sari is also priced at rupees 2,395 only. Now this is the next shade, a very lovely green color with dark green small mango prints all over the sari. And now as you can see here, again the same double-sided jari border. And moving on to the pallu here, again a pink color shaded pallu with zari all over, very grand. And now for the blouse, similar to the previous sari, jacquard weaving blouse, very rich and grand. Now this sari is also priced at Rs 2,395 only. Now moving on to the next design, the Banaras Kora block printed sari. Now we have this light blue color sari, block printed Banaras Kora sari with floral patterns all over the body in the shade of light green and gold. And as you can see here for the pallu, it's got jari checks. And for the blouse, again checks of the same shade. And now this sari is priced at Rs 1,795 only. The next shade, this very lovely light blue color with floral patterns, roses all over the body in 3 shades, as you can see, purple, blue and light grey. And for the pallu here, again checks and jari borders. And for the blouse, again the same shaded check blouse. Now this sari is priced at Rs 1,795 only. The last shade, this very lovely baby pink sari with block printed roses all over the body. Again 3 shades of roses, dark pink, blue and light grey. And as you can see for the pallu here, jari borders and checks of the same baby pink color. And now moving on to the blouse. Again the blouse also has checks of the same shade. Now this sari is also priced at Rs 1,795 only. With this, we come to an end with the Manam Saris episode. Now moving on to the Manam Salwars episode. If you would like to purchase any of the saris, kindly take a screenshot and WhatsApp us at 78248 and subscribe to our YouTube channel Manam Silks for daily updates.
Hi, this is Harshita and welcome to Manam Salwar Suit episodes. Today we're going to see a few cotton salwar suits. First, we're going to see this cotton salwar set. The top of the salwar is a pure cotton salwar which has floral embroidery patterns all over the body. It also has a few stripes all over the body with colors white and pink. Now coming to the dupatta. The dupatta is also a cotton material dupatta which has handprint patterns all over the dupatta. It also has a thin border of jari on both sides. The bottom of the dupatta also has a few tassels and a thick border. Now coming to the bottom, it is a cotton bottom and it is light green in color. This bottom adds full contrast to the outfit, and this whole salwar suit material costs 1,050 only. Next, we have another color of the same cotton salwar suit. The top, the salwar is a pure cotton material which has the same embroidery patterns all over the body. The salwar also has a few stripes with yellow and white color. Now coming to the dupatta. The dupatta is also a cotton material dupatta which has handprint patterns all over the dupatta. It also has a thin jari border on both sides and a few tassels at the bottom. Now the bottom is also a pure cotton bottom which is light blue in color and adds full contrast to the whole outfit. This salwar suit costs 1,050 only. Now we have another color of the same cotton salwar set. The salwar is a cotton material which has yellow floral embroidery patterns all over the body. The salwar also has a few stripes which is white and blue in color. Now coming to the dupatta, which is also a pure cotton dupatta. It has patterns of handprint all over the dupatta. It also has a thin jari border on both sides and a few tassels at the bottom of the dupatta. Now coming to the bottom, which is also a pure cotton bottom. It is bright yellow in color and adds full contrast to the whole outfit. This set costs 1,050 only. So we've come to the end of today's episode. Stay tuned to see what's in store for you in the next episode. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you.